Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sonia Vega. I'm a health education specialist, and I work for the Department of Public Health Nutrition Program. We are here today because I'm going to be reading a book titled, It's Picnic Day, Potter. Raindrops plunked and raindrops plopped. Potter asked, "When will it stop?" Mom said, "Potter, it's okay. The picnic will not be until Saturday." By then the clouds will blow away and all your friends will come to play. So pack your frown and let's head out. There's lots of picnic food about. Potter chose the whole wheat bread. "Here's turkey, cheese, and fruit," he said. "Veggies, yogurt, beans, and water. That's healthy food," said Dad to Potter. The sun came out on Saturday. "Mom and Dad, it's time to play." Skunk, moose, toad, and kangaroo had balls and games to play with too. They kicked, they caught, they ran, they threw. "Toss it here," called Kangaroo. Potter looked for his friend Goose. "Have you seen him?" "No," said Moose. Finally, it was time to eat. Veggies, fruit, and good lean meat. And a bottle filled with water. "Here's your drink," said Mom to Potter. "How about a rest beneath this tree? I'll read to you, then you read to me." Later, Potter dozed off a bit until Skunk said, "Now you're it." A game of tag, a splash, a slide, a tunnel where they all could hide. "Let's make this jungle gym our ship. The water's deep, try not to slip." When the sun was sinking low, Mom called out, "It's time to go." Then Goose called out, "I'm over here." Potter hugged Goose and gave a cheer. "Come look," said Goose, "and you will see. Big news in my family, in my growing family. The eggs have hatched, one then another. Potter, I'm a proud big brother." "You?" said Potter to his friend. "They all can come when we picnic again." Snacks can be an important part of a healthy diet. Eating a healthy snack is a great way to make sure you eat from all the food groups each day. Choose snacks that are lower in salt, sugar, and fat. Snack on fresh fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in fat and packed with nutrients. Click on the Healthy Snack Day link in the description for recipes and pick healthy snacks that are sweet, savory, spicy, or crunchy. For example, try the Very Good Banana Split that uses low-fat yogurt instead of ice cream, which is sweet but lower in fat. If you're thirsty, drink water. If you want to make your water fun, add fruits, vegetables, and herbs such as watermelon and basil. Remember to make every day a healthy snack day. Thank you for watching.